Welcome back to Apple Insider, your ultimate destination for the latest tech reviews, in-depth comparisons, and honest opinions about the gadgets that shape our digital lives. Today, we're diving deep into the brand new Infinix Note 50 Pro, a device that's turning heads in the mid-range smartphone segment. Infinix has been steadily climbing the ladder, and with the Note 50 Pro, they seem to be targeting that sweet spot between performance, design, and value. So sit back, relax, and let's explore what makes this phone one of the most talked about releases of the year. Starting with number 1, the design and build quality. The Infinix Note 50 Pro is a stunning example of how far Infinix has come in terms of aesthetics. The phone features a sleek, premium glass back with an aluminum frame that feels surprisingly solid in hand. The matte finish on the back resists fingerprints and gives it a smooth, almost velvety texture. You immediately notice how balanced the device feels, not too heavy, not too light, just the right weight to make it feel substantial. The curved edges make it comfortable to hold even for long periods, and the new camera island design at the back is beautifully integrated into the body. It's not just a random cluster of lenses, it's a statement. Infinix has also refined the button placements, offering a power button that doubles as a fingerprint scanner, and tactile volume rockers that respond with a satisfying click. The Note 50 Pro comes in bold color options that look elegant without being flashy, giving users the choice between subtle luxury and youthful energy. What really impresses here is that even though it's priced as a mid-range phone, the craftsmanship feels flagship level. In short, Infinix has built a phone that looks expensive, feels durable, and shows that design excellence doesn't need to come with a $1,000 price tag. Moving to number 2, the display. The Infinix Note 50 Pro packs a large 6.8-inch AMOLED panel with full HD Plus resolution, and the visual experience it delivers is nothing short of remarkable for this category. The colors are rich, punchy, and beautifully calibrated, with deep blacks and crisp whites that make everything from videos to games look stunning. The 120Hz refresh rate gives the screen an ultra-smooth feel, making every scroll, swipe, and animation fluid and satisfying. Watching content on this display feels immersive thanks to the minimal bezels and the centrally placed punch-hole camera that doesn't distract from what's on screen. HDR support enhances contrast and detail in supported content, which means streaming your favorite Netflix or YouTube videos feels more cinematic than ever. The brightness peaks around 1000 nits, which ensures visibility even under bright sunlight, something Infinix has clearly worked on this time. The touch response is instant, perfect for gamers and multitaskers who demand precision. Simply put, the display on the Note 50 Pro doesn't just meet expectations, it exceeds them, offering a viewing experience that rivals phones nearly double its price. Now, number 3, performance. Under the hood, the Infinix Note 50 Pro runs on the latest MediaTek Dimensity 8050 chipset paired with up to 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of internal storage. This combination delivers a level of speed and efficiency that's impressive for its price range. Whether you're gaming, editing photos, or running multiple apps, the Note 50 Pro stays smooth and responsive. Infinix's new vapor cooling system keeps the device from heating up during long sessions, ensuring consistent performance even when pushed to its limits. In day-to-day use, app launches are fast, multitasking is seamless, and gaming performance is rock solid. Titles like PUBG Mobile, Asphalt 9, and Genshin Impact run effortlessly on medium to high settings. The optimized XOS software layer on top of Android 14 also helps manage resources smartly, giving users that extra layer of efficiency. There's also expandable RAM technology, allowing the phone to use part of its storage as additional RAM for smoother multitasking. For a mid-tier device, the Infinix Note 50 Pro genuinely delivers flagship-level responsiveness. It's a phone that doesn't just keep up with your pace, it pushes you to do more. Number 4, the camera system. The Infinix Note 50 Pro houses a powerful 108-megapixel primary sensor that captures photos with incredible clarity and dynamic range. The colors pop but remain true to life, and the sharpness in detail is impressive, especially under good lighting. The ultra-wide lens adds flexibility, making it easy to capture landscapes and group shots without distortion, while the macro sensor lets you get creative with close-up photography. Infinix has clearly improved its image processing this year. Skin tones look more natural, highlights are well controlled, and low-light shots are sharper with less noise thanks to improved night mode algorithms. The 32-megapixel front camera is equally capable, delivering selfies that are crisp and flattering, with balanced exposure even in tricky lighting. Video recording supports up to 4K resolution with electronic image stabilization that smooths out handshakes for a professional touch. The AI scene detection works intelligently, automatically adjusting colors and exposure depending on what you're shooting. Whether you're a casual photographer or someone who loves capturing moments daily, the Note 50 Pro's camera system gives you the flexibility, clarity, and control you need to create stunning content. At number 5, battery life. The Infinix Note 50 Pro comes with a massive 5,500 mAh battery that easily powers you through a full day and beyond. Thanks to the optimized chipset and efficient software, power consumption stays minimal even during heavy use. You can stream videos, play games, and scroll through social media for hours without worrying about running out of juice. And when you do need to charge, the 100W Hypercharge support is a game changer. Infinix claims it can charge the phone from 0 to 100% in just under 30 minutes, and real-world results are impressively close to that claim. The included charger in the box means you don't have to spend extra for fast charging accessories, which is a huge plus. The battery management software also learns your usage habits and adjusts background processes to maximize efficiency. For users who prioritize long battery life and quick charging, the Note 50 Pro absolutely nails it. It's a device built for endurance, ensuring that your phone is always ready to go when you are. Coming to number 6, software and features. The Note 50 Pro runs on Infinix's XOS 14 based on Android 14, and this time, it's cleaner, smoother, and smarter. The interface feels more refined with less bloatware, and Infinix has clearly listened to user feedback. Navigation is intuitive, animations are fluid, and customization options are plenty. You can change themes, adjust icon packs, and personalize the always-on display to your liking. There's also a strong focus on privacy, with features like App Lock, Secure Folder, and Permission Manager giving you full control over your data. The device includes a robust game mode that boosts performance and blocks distractions, perfect for gamers. It also supports dual stereo speakers with DTS audio enhancement, delivering loud, clear, and balanced sound whether you're watching videos or playing music. Connectivity-wise, it supports 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3, and NFC, ensuring you're future-ready. Infinix also promises consistent software updates, which is something users have been asking for. Overall, the software on the Note 50 Pro strikes a fine balance between power and simplicity, giving you a user experience that feels fluid, feature-rich, and secure. Finally, number 7, value for money. This is where the Infinix Note 50 Pro truly shines. Priced significantly lower than most flagship devices, it offers nearly all the features you'd expect from a premium smartphone. You're getting a sleek design, an outstanding AMOLED display, a powerful processor, a versatile 108 megapixels camera, blazing fast charging, and long battery life, all wrapped in a beautifully built body. For anyone looking for a device that delivers performance and style without breaking the bank, the Note 50 Pro stands out as one of the best options in its category. It's designed for users who want more for less, proving that you don't have to spend a fortune to get a great smartphone experience. Infinix has always been about accessibility, and with this phone, they've raised the bar even higher. And that brings us to the conclusion. The Infinix Note 50 Pro is a perfect example of how far mid-range smartphones have evolved. It's not just about specs on paper, it's about delivering a complete, well-balanced experience. From its stunning design and vibrant display to its strong performance, solid camera setup, and reliable battery life, every aspect of this device feels well thought out. Infinix has managed to pack flagship-level features into a price tag that's genuinely attainable. Whether you're a student, a professional, or a tech enthusiast looking for an affordable powerhouse, the Note 50 Pro deserves your attention. It's bold, it's refined, and it's built for users who want premium without paying premium. So that's it for today's deep dive. If you enjoyed this review and want more honest, detailed tech content, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Apple Insider, and ring the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay smart, stay curious, and keep exploring tech that matters.